Now that you have successfully created your TronLink wallet, let's see how to manage your tokenized assets within. If you are interested in learning more about TronLink wallet structure and tools, a separate guide will be available soon. Let's deposit funds into the wallet. TronLink is compatible with other blockchain networks such as Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum Mainnet, and BitTorrent Chain. This allows you to directly deposit the digital assets from these networks to the corresponding TronLink wallet address in Tron blockchain. For example, let's see how you can do it from Binance account. First, open your Binance account. Go to Dashboard section at the top right corner. All the commissions in Tron blockchain network are paid in native token called TRX. In order to be able to do any transactions with the wallet, you must first deposit TRX on your balance. Later on, you can stake TRX for energy and bandwidth, which would allow you to bypass or significantly reduce the commissions. Detailed information about commissions, bandwidth, and energy of the Tron blockchain network is available at the official website, accessible with link in the description. Let's choose TRX for withdrawal. Copy and then paste your TronLink wallet address. Choose TRX, TRC20 network. Choose the desired transfer amount and confirm it with the withdraw button. After you have completed the two-factor authentication, the funds will be transferred shortly. You can track the transaction status in the region of your Binance wallet. After the transaction is completed, the TRX tokens will appear in your TronLink wallet. Let's now deposit USDT tokens to the TronLink wallet as well. To do so, we have to follow the same steps as seen with TRX. Choose USDT. Copy and paste the wallet address. Choose TRX, TRC20 network. Choose the withdrawal amount. Press the withdraw button and complete the two-factor authentication. After the security verification is complete, the USDT will be transferred to your TronLink wallet. In the next step, let's learn how to swap DAO Paykiken government tokens.